Articles. What we have seen yesterday? We have seen articles in which we have seen a and uses. We have seen about indefinite article also, right? And today we will see about the uses of the, and we will see about definite article. Okay. So what we have seen yesterday, we'll just take a quick recap. What was the definition of article? A and the are called articles. Okay. Articles are used to point out or refers to noun. They are used to point out nouns, and they also refers to nouns. Okay. In a review, we have seen that articles qualify nouns and always appear just before the noun. Sometimes it appears immediately before the noun, or at other times they are separated by few other words. Okay. We have also seen types of article, okay, in which we have seen first one was indefinite article, in which we have seen a and an definitions and uses, and the second one is definite article, the, which we will see it today. Okay. We have seen about indefinite article also. What was that? Indefinite articles are a and an. They do not refer to particular noun, as I have told you. They do not refer to the specific nouns. They only refers to the noun in general. They only refers to noun in general. Okay. For example, was there Shruti wants a black dress, means she is not pointing out the nouns particularly. She is just saying that she wants a black dress in common. Okay. She is not pointing out that I want that dress. Okay. She is just telling that I want a black dress in a very common way. Okay. A is used before nouns that begins with a consonant sound. We know that. And an is used before nouns that begins with a vowel sound. Both a and an is used before singular and countable nouns. We have also seen the uses of a and an. A and an may be used in the following cases. We have seen some of the cases where we have used a and an. In the sense of one or any, we have used a or an. In certain expressions or number, we have used a or an. To show the rate also, we have used a. It is used before such you when it sounds on you. Means we used before some of the words, like starting with you, but it sounds like you. Why you? It sounds like a consonant sound. So whenever we see the consonant, we hear the consonant sound, we use a before that noun, before that word. Okay. For example, it is given a useful animal. Here you can see u is a vowel letter, but it means while pronunciating it, it gives the sound of consonant sound, right? A European, a university, correct? It is used before words beginning with H when it is silent. Examples: an honest man, and all, etc. Means it is also used before, means an is used just before beginning with the H, means the words which are starting with H, right? It seems like H is a consonant letter, but while pronunciating it, we get a sound of vowel. And as we know that where we'll get the vowel sound, we are using an, right? So these were the uses of a and an. Today we are here with the new with the use. We will see today about definite article. Last day we have seen about indefinite article, but today we are going to see about definite article. The is definite article. It is used to identify a specific noun. Means the, when we are using the, we used to identify. We used to, means we particulate it. Means we are specifying that noun. For specifying the noun, we are using the. We use it when we know which particular noun we are talking about, right? For example, we have seen last in a or an, we have seen that it is used for means referring to a common noun, but the is used to refer the particular noun, specifying the noun, right? That is called means where there we are using the. For example, Shruti wants the black dress. Shruti wants the black dress. Here, the article is used for means it is referring to the particular noun. It is specifying the noun. She wants the black dress. Means the what she has looked the black dress. She wanted only that. Here, Shruti is choosing from dresses of several colors in front of her. She is pointing to specific dress which is black. She is just wanted the dress what she has chosen from all of the dress. Okay. Here, the definite article is. The is also used when we are referring to a noun which has mentioned before in the sentence or the paragraph. Okay, we are using definite article when we are referring to a noun or when it is mentioned before in the sentence or in the paragraph. Example, his mother gave him a diary. His mother gave him a diary. The diary had a blue cover. His mother gave him a diary. The diary had a blue color. Okay. In the first sentence, the indefinite article a shows that it was not a specific diary. Okay. In the first sentence, his mother gave him a diary. A diary means it is telling in a very common way. But when the sentence started with the diary, that is was not a specific diary but just any diary which his mother had brought for him. Means in the second sentence you can see the definite article the shows that we are talking about that same diary which his mother gave him. Okay, means his mother gave him a diary. Okay, it's very common, but the diary which she has given what that was in a blue color. Means it is referring means it is specifying that diary. Which diary? The blue one diary. The blue diary. Okay. We are identifying that particular diary. That particular diary had a blue cover. Yes, what I have told you that means the diary what his mother had given was the blue color. Was that of blue color. Okay. So when we are using the when we are referring to a noun in a very specific way. Okay. Next. Here, the uses of the. Here, uses of the. We'll see some of the uses where we can use the. We use the before a noun when we want to refer to in a particular way. As I have seen 2-3 examples last, we have seen that here also the same when we are referring to the particular movie. Particular noun. Okay. For example, I have seen the movie that you mentioned. Means I have told you to watch the movie. I didn't told that go and watch any of the movie. I told about the movie, the particular movie that you have to watch. Means I have seen the movie that you have mentioned me. What you told me to watch the movie, that movie I have seen. Mean a specific movie. Clear? Let us go to the garden now. A particular garden means we are telling that we let's go to the garden, the particular one. We are not telling let's go to any of the garden. We are telling the garden. Have some. It must be have some. Okay. We use the before superlatives and words used in the sense of superlative. Okay. The superlative adjectives use a superlative degree. You know about EST where we are adding EST to the words. There we are using article the. Okay. Before that superlatives we are using the. It is very clear to understand we use the before superlatives and words used in the sense of a superlative. For example, she is the strongest contender for the trophy. Understood? Where we are using superlatives, where we are using the article. Okay. His second example is he is the best. He is the best man to ask for help in this case. Okay. Now the next one. Yeah. Here the next one is we also use the before an adjective in the comparative degree. When choosing between two nouns, when we are using between two nouns, we are also using the before an adjective. Okay, when we are comparing two adjectives, when we are comparing between two nouns, we are using the just before that adjective. For example, who is the better dancer of the two? We are here comparing between two dancers and we are using the just before the adjective. Here adjective is better and the noun is dancer. We are talking about two dancer means two nouns, and when we are comparing between two nouns we are using the just before that adjective. Here adjective is better. Understood? Second example is each day is hotter than the previous one. Means we are comparing between the days. What that was previous day and we are comparing to the present day, right? So when we are comparing two days, days are the nouns, and we are comparing between two nouns, then we are using the just before the adjective, just before the adjective. Okay, the previous one. We use the with nouns that we always there, that were always there. Means we are using some for the universal rule means which already exist, where we are using the before the nouns. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, and the sky. These are already existed, right? So for the nouns, we use the with the nouns that were always there. They are already existed. Second example is I love to watch the twinkling stars in the sky. The twinkling means it is already existed and in the sky it is already existed. So when we are something is existed, we are using the with the nouns. Okay. Some more uses are here. We use the with a common noun when we want to represent a whole class. Okay, we are using the with the common nouns also when we are representing a whole class. Okay, means kind of means of the same features. For example, the monkey is very intelligent animal. Means in all of the animal, the monkey is very intelligent, right? In all the animals, the monkey is the intelligent one. Means in the common noun to represent a whole class. Means in all of the animal, the monkey is the intelligent one. Second example, the ant is an industrious creature. Means all of the creature, ant is an industrious creature. Understood? In a common noun, when we want to represent a whole class, we use what? The. Clear? Second one is we use the before certain adjectives. We use the before certain adjectives. For example, the higher we go, the colder it is, the mountains. Okay? The more delicate the cloth, the more costly it is. Means you can say we are using the just before certain adjectives. Just before certain adjectives, we are using the. Clear? Now we'll see that some more uses are here. Okay. We use the with the words like the following, the last, the first, the only, the next, the previous. We cannot use the with last night without alternating the meaning of the phrase. In last year, last night, the word last means previous. Okay, we only use the with the following words like the following, the last, the first, the only, the next, the previous. Okay, we are using the just before these words. Okay. In next year, next night, the word next means the year after, the night after. Okay. The last year, the last month, the means, the final or the final month. So here, the last topic is our omission of articles. What is that? Omission of articles. Okay. We'll see omission of articles. Given below is a list of names and nouns which usually do not take any article before them. Means some of the nouns given here which do not take any of the article, whether it's a, an or the. They do not take any of the article. Okay. We can see here proper nouns where we are not using article before the proper nouns. Okay. Continents, countries and cities like Africa, Indonesia, we are not using article before continents, countries and cities. Okay. We are not using article just before days and month. For example, Friday, March, January, Saturday, etc. We are not using article just before days and months. Okay. Now the last, next one is languages and subjects. We are not using articles just before languages and subjects. For example, Spanish, Sanskrit, history, etc. English. We are not using article just before languages and subjects. Okay. Next one is meals. We are not using articles just before meals. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. We are not using articles just before meals. Illness. Okay. We are not using articles just before illness like paralysis, toothache or whatever it is. We are not using articles just before illness. Planets. We are not using articles just before planets like Saturn, Pluto, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, etc. etc. We are not using articles just before the planets. Okay. Noun specific plural nouns like non-specific plural nouns, dolphins, calendars, teachers, etc. etc. We are not using articles just before this plural noun, non-specific plural nouns. Okay, we are not using articles. Okay. However, when we specific nouns are mentioned, this is certainly used. Examples: the third Friday of every month. The breakfast was delicious. I cannot talk because of toothache. Means toothache that only I have. Means particularly when we are talking about particular things, when we are specifying the things, we are not using. Means we are using the. We are using the. So for in certain cases we can use the also, like what we Okay, so what we have seen, omission of the article, in which we have seen that they are not taking like days and month are not taking articles with them, but in some cases like the third Friday, in meals also we are not taking articles, but in certain cases like the breakfast, when we are specifying the breakfast was delicious, okay, we are using the before that. I cannot talk because of the toothache, means the toothache what I have, means when we are specifying the nouns, okay, we are using the article. We can use article. So this is all about the chapter, the whatever articles. Okay, so go through the video properly. I must say that please watch video properly so that you can understand. Watch it on labs. You can watch it on labs so that you will be able to understand things clearly. Okay.